Propane smokers sit at the intersection of convenience, consistency, and flavor for backyard pitmasters. They offer relatively quick heat up, controllable temperatures, and the ability to reach established smoking times with less fuss than traditional charcoal rigs. In this review, I evaluate 5 distinct propane-oriented smoking solutions that span from compact.
Product number 1. dyna-glo DGY 784 BDP 36-inch vertical LP gas smoker. The dyna-glo DGY 784 BDP is a 36-inch vertical LP gas smoker with a total cooking space of 784 square inches and 4 adjustable steel wire racks. It uses a 15,000 BTU cast iron burner with electronic push-button ignition and a large control dial for precise heat management. A porcelain enameled steel wood chip box and water bowls support added flavor and moisture, while a double-door design facilitates easier access and heat control, aided by adjustable dampers and a decorative temperature gauge. The unit ships with CSA certification and carries a 1-year limited warranty. The dimensions are 27 inches long by 19.2 inches deep by 46.46 inches high, with a weight of 54 pounds. A compatible custom cover is available separately. Performance-wise, this model emphasizes straightforward wood smoke integration via the built-in chip box and a robust 15,000 BTU burner, enabling respectable heat-up and stable smoking sessions for larger cuts. The offset heat management through top and side dampers allows for flexible smoking profiles, though the single burner design can require diligent temperature monitoring during long sessions, especially in windy or cold conditions. The dual-door layout is practical for adding chips or water without a large heat loss, and the porcelain enamel finish helps with durability against resin buildup. As a heavy, freestanding vertical smoker, it's well suited for backyard cooks who want a hands-off center of heat with the ability to feed chips mid-smoke.
Product number 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical BBQ smoker with side wood chip loader. The MB2007-1117 is a 30-inch digital electric smoker featuring a patented side wood chip loader, chrome-plated racks, a removable water bowl, and a vertical design offering 710 square inches of cooking space. It supports temperatures up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and includes 4 chrome-coated racks for flexible configurations. The unit weighs 45.9 pounds and measures 19.8 inches D by 20.9 inches wide by 33.3 inches tall. It's powered by electricity, removing the need for propane or charcoal while introducing consistent digital control and a grease management system with a rear tray. Performance-wise, the electric vertical design excels in consistency and ease of use, especially for beginners or cooks who prioritize steady smoke without dealing with flame management. The side loader reduces heat escape and helps maintain chamber temperature during chip loading, which is ideal for extended sessions. The 710 square inches of cooking space fits multiple racks of ribs or several chickens, and the removable water bowl aids in maintaining moisture. However, the electric model's flavor depends heavily on wood chip selection and house power availability. For users who value set-and-forget operation, this is a top-tier option within the vertical smoker category.
Product number 3. Masterbuilt Slow Smoker. The Masterbuilt MB2010-112 is an accessory attachment designed for Masterbuilt vertical smokers, enabling cold smoking and continuous smoke production for up to 6 hours via a removable ashtray system. This accessory is priced at $90.46 and is targeted at users who want extended cold smoking capabilities, such as cheese, fish, bacon, and jerky. Its dimensions are 8.1 inch D by 9.8 inch wide by 16.8 inch high, weighing about 9.95 pounds, and it supports steady chip feeding for continuous smoke. Performance-wise, this attachment adds a valuable dimension for cold smoking, enabling longer smoke cycles without reloading. The continuous smoke feature helps maintain flavor consistency for delicate items, but it requires an understanding of cold smoking safety and temperature management to avoid spoilage. The compact footprint makes it easy to install on compatible Masterbuilt vertical smokers, and the removable ashtray simplifies cleanup. This accessory is best for enthusiasts who already own a Masterbuilt vertical unit and want to expand smoking capabilities without investing in a separate pit.
Product number 4. Meat Temperature Magnet. Levain & Co.'s Meat Temperature Magnet and BBQ Smoker Guide is a lightweight, magnetic, weather-resistant reference magnet designed for pellet grill users. Priced at $11.95, it provides estimated cooking times and internal temperatures for 24 cuts of meat, along with wood pairing suggestions and smoking tips. It's a bulkier stack-keeping aid rather than a smoker itself, but it supports pellet grill users who want quick, glanceable data to complement a pellet smoker setup. It's not a heat source or airflow device, but it helps reduce guesswork during smoking sessions. The magnet's durability and weather resistance are thoughtful features for outdoor use, and the compact size makes it easy to mount on near-field surfaces. Its real value is in reducing smoking learning curves and preventing common temp misjudgments during long smokes.
Product number 5. Cuisinart 18-inch Vertical Charcoal Smoker. The Cuisinart 18-inch Vertical Charcoal Smoker is a compact vertical smoker with integrated thermometer, water bowl, dual vent controls, and chrome-plated grates designed for charcoal-based smoking. Priced at $170.99, this option sits in a different fuel category, charcoal, but is included to anchor comparisons for users weighing charcoal versus propane or electric. Its vertical design and simple features target casual weekend cooks seeking classic smoke flavor without electronics. Performance-wise, the charcoal approach delivers traditional flavor with direct heat management and flavor infusion via wood. The built-in thermometer helps monitor chamber temps, while the water bowl assists with moisture retention. However, the absence of a propane or electric heat source means longer heat-up times and more manual regulation, which may not appeal to users seeking the quick-start convenience of propane models. This model is best for purists who want charcoal flavor and a compact footprint.